In this tutorial, we are going to take a tour of Josh's newly launched ImageGen feature and explore how to create stunning custom images for your dashboard, areas, and scenes in the Josh app. To personalize your homepage background, tap your profile icon in the top left corner to open your account details and settings. Tap your current building or tap Change Building to select from your list of properties you would like to modify. From here, simply tap Change Photo to open the Josh GPT image generator. Describe any image you can imagine to customize your background. For example, a beach bungalow on the ocean. And let Josh GPT work its magic. Alternatively, you can tap the microphone in the bottom right corner of the app to ask Josh to generate a custom background. For example, an image of a modern ski chalet on a snowy mountain peak. And your background will be created in just a few seconds. You have the ability to create custom images for your home's areas and scenes as well. Navigate to your areas page and simply tap the area you would like to customize. Tap Settings in the top right corner. Tap the current image to create a custom image for your area. Let's create a Mediterranean-style kitchen on an Italian vineyard as its background. Lastly, let's personalize a scene's image by navigating to the Scenes tab. Adjust your desired scene settings by tapping the three dots on the right side of its tile. From here, go to Settings in the top right corner and tap the current image to create your new AI-generated image. For example, we'll generate an image of a futuristic movie theater in the style of the Millennium Falcon for our movie time scene. We trust this guide on image generation with Josh GPT was informative and inspiring. Give it a try and stay tuned for more Josh tips to enjoy your home intelligence experience to the fullest.